Trenchless Supply is a contractor-first supplier, meaning we put the needs of contractors and plumbers at the center of everything we do. We specialize in tools and equipment that make trenchless pipe repair faster, cleaner, more cost-effective, without all the digging and disruption. Whether it's CIPP, pipe coating, pipe patching tools, steamers, or small accessories, we've got it covered. And most importantly, we offer hands-on training, so no one is left guessing how to use the gear. Our mission to keep plumbers ahead of the curve as the industry shifts towards smarter trenchless solutions. Trenchless technology is the future of underground infrastructure, and for some, the only way forward in many communities where digging just isn't an option anymore. The tools we provide help plumbers do better work with less disruption. That means fewer torn up streets, faster repairs, and less downtime for the people who live and work in these areas. From a contractor's perspective, trenchless tools are a competitive edge, but only if you know how to use them. That's why we pair products with training and education. We're not just selling equipment, we're building confidence and capability in the field. Trenchless isn't just a new technique, it's an innovation mindset. It's about asking, how can we do this faster, cleaner, better? That's what we're building our brand around. At Trenchless Supply, we want to be the go-to source for plumbers, lining professionals who are looking to level up. Whether that's through better gear, faster support, or training that actually makes a difference, we're in this to raise the bar. If we can support those crews with smarter tools and the knowledge to use them, we all win. That's what it's really all about. We're proud to be the title sponsor this year because it reflects what we believe in. Pushing the industry forward, investing in real relationships, and showing up where it matters. We're excited to sponsor this event because PRC's values align with ours. They are customer first, community driven, and committed to doing the job right. Just like we are. It's a partnership that makes sense, and we're proud to show up alongside of them to support the industry. Thank you, Pedro and PRC.